This type of question is always messy for students, mostly because of the symbols. This use of alpha and beta is like, woo, what is that stuff? The key is, of course, up here where it says that the sine of alpha is equal to the cosine of beta. Ultimately, what that's telling us is that alpha, this guy, that angle, added to beta, which is like A and B, come out to be 90 degrees. How do we know that? Well, we know that because if they're equal, that's the only time when the sine of an angle and the cosine of another angle equal each other is if they sum to 90. So in this case, if you just kind of take it for an equation, what we learn is that it says the sine of alpha, this value right here, is the same as the cosine of beta. They're equal values. Then in truth, the sine of alpha over the cosine of beta is the same as sine of alpha over the sine of alpha, and that equals just good old-fashioned 1. Now you say, well, whoa, back up. Well, this is equal to this, isn't it? That's what we're told up here. So it's just a fancy way of saying 1. Something equals itself. Something divided by itself equals 1. So it seems a little cryptic, but it's quite simple. The other ones are kind of like this. It uses similar ideas.